Hey everyone, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Yola Backpack from Adidas. This cute backpack is really soft to the touch. It's made of polyester and it's lightweight too. I love the color. You have the signature logo here at the front. It also has a zipper pocket that's nice and roomy, and it's lined with a soft material, so that way you can put your sunglasses in here, your phone, and it won't get scratched up. There are two buckles here to open up the top flap. It's also got a zipper closure. So we'll open that up. The inside is a bright color. You've got tons of space, of course, the entire length of the backpack is provided with all that space. There is a back wall zipper pocket that has a mesh cover, so that way you can see what you're holding on to. Let's see. Yeah, there's just that one pocket right at the top. Flip it to the back though, and you have a little carry handle. It's got some side stretchy pockets for drinks or other necessities. These shoulder straps are nicely padded. I love that it says the brand with the 3 straps right here. Excuse me, the brand with the 3 stripes right here. It's just kind of a cool touch. And then the shoulder straps are adjustable, of course, right here, but then you've also got these snaps that you can actually undo, so it changes the length of that. So overall, really cool backpack. It's lightweight. It's gonna be perfect just to carry with you throughout your day. Sporty, stylish, it carries stuff. That's always my favorite part. Grab this one today. It's from Adidas.